Keeping your Ford running strong starts with one simple service: a regular oil change. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient oil change in Kalispell, Montana, Kalispell Ford makes it easy. Our expert Ford certified technicians use high-quality oils and filters designed specifically for your vehicle. From conventional to full synthetic, we make sure your engine is properly cared for to help extend its life and performance. An oil change does more than just keep your engine lubricated. During every visit, we perform a quick inspection of other fluids, filters, and key systems, helping you avoid unexpected repairs and keep your vehicle in peak condition. Booking your oil change in Kalispell is simple. Schedule online in just a few steps or call our service team and we'll find a time that works best for you. Most oil changes take less than a half an hour, so you're back on the road in no time. At Kalispell Ford, we make routine maintenance fast, convenient, and worry-free. Whether it's an oil change or a full service check, our team is here to keep your Ford running like new. Protect your engine, maintain peak performance, and schedule your next oil change in Kalispell, Montana today at Kalispell Ford. Visit our website or give us a call to book your service.